in your communication, the clarity matters. If you can't pronunciate a word clearly, if you can't deliver your speech, the point clearly, then it is going to affect the communication. The people is going to have a certain perspective about you. The question comes, how I will get the clarity in my speaking? There are lots of people telling you that you should be doing this pendular exercise. But let me ask you, how many of you have actually done that exercise? Still, when you are not seeing the result. Most of you, you just did that pendular exercise for 3 days, for 7 days, for 1 month, and then you stop doing that exercise, saying that the pendular exercise is only for a short period. It's only gives you the clarity for 2 minutes after doing this pendular exercise. It is not effective in the long term. I myself don't know if it really works in the long term, but I have worked on this pendular exercise. I have started reading paragraph with the pendular exercise with pen in my mouth, and I have read the whole paragraph, and the clarity I'm having, I will say that the clarity is coming from that exercise. Why? Let me tell you. The clarity comes when you are speaking with wide open mouth. You're not speaking like this, the closed mouth, because if you are speaking the closed mouth, the clarity is going to last. But when I'm having my mouth wide open and I'm delivering every single word with that same over articulation, the clarity is going to follow me. So the question is, how will I actually start doing this over exaggeration with my mouth? Well, it comes when you do the Benadryl exercise. Get a pen, put that pen between your teeth, and start reading a paragraph. Let me show you how you will read. This book presents numerous research results that at first appear baffling but can be explained through an understanding of natural human tendencies. A while ago, I encountered such a finding when I read a study that gave volunteers an energy drink designed to increase mental abilities. Some volunteers were charged the retail price of the drink, others were told because the researchers had made a bulk purchase, they had have to pay only $0.89. Both groups were then asked to solve as many mental puzzles as they could in 30 minutes. I expected the second group, feeling good about the price break, would have tried harder and solved more problems. Wrong. The opposite occurred. The outcome put me in mind of a phone call I had received years earlier. The call came from a friend who had opened a native Indian jewelry store in Arizona. She was giddy with a curious piece of news. Something fascinating had just happened, and she thought, as a psychologist, I might be able to explain it. The story involved a certain allotment of turquoise jewelry. She had been having trouble selling it. It was the peak of the tourist season. The store was unusually full of customers, and the turquoise pieces were of a good quality for the prices she was asking. Yet they had not sold. My friend had attempted a couple of standard sales tricks to get them moving. She tried calling attention to them by shifting their location to a more central display area. With no luck, she had even told her sales staff to push the item again without success. Finally, the night before leaving on an out-of-town buying trip, she scribbled an expressed note to her head saleswoman. Everything in this display case priced half, hoping just to be rid of the offense mending pieces, even if at loss. When she returned a few days later, she was not surprised to find that every article had been sold. She was shocked, though, to discover that because the employee had read the half in her scrawled message as to the entire allotment had sold at twice the original price. Then, that is when she called me. I thought I knew what had happened, but told her that if I were to explain things clearly, properly, she would have to listen a story of mine. Actually, it isn't my story, it is about Mother Turkey, and it belongs to the science of ethology, the study of animals in their natural settings. Turkey mothers are good mothers, loving, watchful, and protective. They spend much of their time tending, warming, cleaning, and huddling their young beneath them. But there is something odd about their method. Virtually all of their mothering is triggered by one thing, the tip tip sound of young turkey chicks. Other identifying features of the chicks, such as smell, touch, or appearance, seem to play a minor role in the mothering process. If a chick makes the tip tip noise, its mother will care for it. If not, the mother will ignore or sometimes kill it. The extreme reliance of maternal turkey on this one sound was dramatically illustrated in an experimental involving a mother turkey and a stuffed polycat. For a mother turkey, a polycat is a natural predator whose approach is to be greeted with squawking, packing, clawing rage. Indeed, the experiment found even a stuffed model of polycat, when drawn by a string to a mother turkey, received an immediate and furious attack. However, when the same stuffed replica carried inside it a small recorder that played the tip tip sound of baby turkey, the mother not only accepted the oncoming enemy but gathered it underneath her. When the machine was turned off, the polycat model again drew a vicious attack. I have read the whole paragraph, and I was reading that whole paragraph. The sound, it also changed. Earlier, when I was speaking, when I started reading that paragraph, my mouth, the jaw wasn't that much opened. I wasn't having that much clarity. Now, when I'm speaking, the voice is also different. So, pen drill, having pen between your teeth, not only helps you with the clarity, it actually helps you gaining the natural voice you are having to speak with more authority. Start doing this pen drill exercise. It's only been day one of me doing this pen drill exercise and showing you that it really works. But if you make this a part of your routine where you wake up, do your routine, and then you hop on that pen, get the pen between your teeth, and you start reading, that will actually enhance the communication, it will enhance the voice of yours, and it will help you with the clarity as well. Start practicing this.